That was brutal. That was.
Do a good one. Do a good one.
What's that off of? Mr. D's.
He runs it straight into a fucking light pole.
Dude, light pole mod it.
Oh god, damn.
Should I like test jump it or should I just fucking huck it?
No. Just huck it. First time.
So just huck it.
We need more dirt and vert. Dirt and vert.
You kidding me? Already out of fucking string.
Hucked it.
Oh, can't see shit.
You're entering your first pit bike race on this tomorrow.
Haven't I raced one before on this?
No? When have you done that?
I haven't.
Exactly. Are you getting a little nervous?
Not really, no.
I wouldn't go any deeper.
Dirt's a little dry out here, isn't it, Dalton?
Mm-hmm.
You might as well just say queer across your shirt in big letters.
Dude, for real, right? Like, I didn't think he could get any gayer, and he shows up in a golf shirt.
Hey guys. I feel like I lost all my talent. On the way over here, I was like, oh yeah, this is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna get it done. Now I feel like I can't even fucking ride a dirt bike in a straight line. Pussed out. I thought I had it. I don't know what I was doing. Just fucking get it over with. Oh,
Oh, man, it's crazy, isn't it, Dalton?
It's here.
It's here. It's here. Right, Dylan?
Oh, leave it. You alright?
yeah, I'm good. Tell me I gotta do this with no front fender?
That was commitment, though. You stayed on that motherfucker.
Why am I not getting any spin? It's like it stops right there.
When I rewatched the video, halfway through you're twisting. You're going off to the side
It
almost.
hurts like a motherfucker, but damn.
You're just going to the back of the seat and stopping.
Am I?
Yeah. You're not even hanging off the fender.
What does the first one look like?
Hell yeah! Woo!
Oh,
Hell yeah, man!
Fuck yeah.
can't I record? No. Didn't get it.
No, I did. No, I got it.
Oh.
I got it too.
I don't know what I did that time, but it
You went a
fucking
lot
went
slower.
more. Did I go slow?
So close. Knocked his bar pad off.
Oh, I smacked the fuck out of those bars.
Dude, hell yeah,
Does that
man.
count?
Yeah.
Person counting out. Hell yeah.
Oh!
Oh, man.
I wish I had a front fender to make it look better. Well, I'm glad that's over with. Jesus Christ. I've never been so scared in my life.
This is when you,
Fucked up.
yeah, you bailed.
Hey, I tried to commit. I'm not trying. That's what I told myself. I was like, man, when I first went off, I was like, fuck, I bailed. What the fuck was I thinking?
That's when it snapped your fender.
Yeah. My fender was already broke,
You
but
heard it crumble.
I can't believe I actually just did a backflip.
Pretty cool.
I can't believe you did one and then turned around and did another one.
Well, fuck. I mean, if it's not gonna hurt me, I'm gonna keep going.
I think I'm gonna go next.
You should go next.
Alright. Dude in shorts.
Mm-hmm. You got your cup on?
Oh my god! Gary, come look at this.
It's a big asshole.
Whoa.
I shouldn't have put that grass in there. I don't know how that grass.
Thank you, Larry.
Hey, that was awesome, man.
I'm glad I could fucking do
proud of
something
you.
for you.
Ladder.
I believe it's a lot hard. It's hard as fuck to try to backflip a fucking 250F. I ain't gonna lie. That thing was a pain in the ass.
They don't really have any.
It's too smooth on the low end. Like I literally hold it. Like I was not expecting. Like I was expected to do a full rotation, but as soon as I went, I was just like. All right, assholes. I'm sorry I didn't break my neck for you. Got it landed, but whoever wants it, I guess we'll do like some sort of fucking pick of a draw or some bullshit. But I'll sign it and send it to you if you really want it that fucking bad.